Hi, I'm John Maxwell. When the top companies in the world are looking for trainers, speakers, and coaches, there's one name that stands above the rest, and that's the John Maxwell team. Our certified members have gotten proven results for companies all over the globe, and our reputation is second to none. Some of our members have risen to the very top of their profession, including the one you're going to meet today. I proudly introduce you to my friend Jael Tanti.
There are no quick fixes in life for personal success and growth. There is not a magic formula for better results. And it doesn't happen by accident either. There is a specific curriculum and a way of thinking for you to thrive. And I'm here to help you develop it. Hi, I'm Jael Tanti, a John Maxwell team certified speaker, teacher, trainer, mentor, and coach. I am passionate about personal development in all its forms. My specialties are teaching, speaking, and training. But what I love most about what I do is watching lives change. I started life with little, but I grew to run a multi-million-dollar company for the last 2 decades, and the most powerful part of that journey was the mindset transformation that came with it. It is my mission to pass on that transformation to you. As a certified teacher and trainer with the John Maxwell team, not only am I equipped with a host of top-tier development resources to share with you, I have also been taught and trained by one of the world's foremost leadership experts, Dr. John C. Maxwell. Dr. John Maxwell has been an authority on leadership for more than 40 years. And if he's taught me anything about teaching, is that teaching is ultimately serving. I'm here to serve you and provide you with the tools to quickly multiply your results. I'm here to help you grow yourself, your team, and your organization beyond barriers. This is why I do what I do. I love to do it, and if you want that for yourself, I like to help you do it too. Whether you're looking for insights on leadership, communication, goal setting, or other personal growth and development principles, I have time-tested programs available that will fit your needs. I offer you individual and group work as well as online or in person. I'm here for you to help you grow at your own pace, on your own platform, in your own capacity. Contact me today to help you move towards the direction of your dreams and live the life you know you deserve. God bless you.